can't make music if you're hungry, so probably food, I'd say. What's up, Loyle Carner, and I'll be bringing the chili con carne cooking school to the Street Food Awards very soon. It's a cooking school for kids with ADHD that I set up 3 years ago with a friend of mine called Mikey. Because I grew up with ADHD, and it was the one thing that used to really chill me out was cooking, and so I figured if it worked for me, it could work for kids in a similar situation.
Because I guess
when you've got ADHD, you're really distracted by things. And so if you're cooking, you're kind of distracted by things that feed back into the same thing. So it's like a perfect loop.
What would you cook on a first date?
I've done a few now. They've all gone wrong except for one. We did this like Caribbean Christmas dinner. Well, like 120 people came down and we cooked food for all of them, and there was no complaints and no belly aches. So no, but they're burgers of some sort. No, I do know. No, there are two kinds of burgers. One burger that's like my recipe for veggie burgers, and then like just a regular meat burger for the meat eaters. I don't know if I'm allowed to swear, but I'm petrified. Yeah, I'm just excited to see how badly wrong it can go. But I want to do it because I just feel like it'll be the right. Yeah, it's the right thing to do. I kind of want to just get it wrong. I don't really care being laughed at, but I wanted things to go wrong for them so they can understand things can go wrong, or to try and figure it out on the fly as opposed to going and kind of being babied through it. I mean, it's not helpful for them. Loyle Carner, Street Food Awards. I'm going to be there. Chili con carne is going to be there. Street food vendors from all over the UK, the best ones, are going to be there cooking good food. Come down, £5 tickets. I'll be there. You'll be there. See you there.